Hi everyone, I'm coming back at you with a small review on something a little bit different. It's up on this beautiful vintage Burberry backpack. I haven't seen any reviews on YouTube for this backpack. Maybe I haven't looked hard enough, but so far I haven't seen any reviews, so I thought I'd hop on and just kind of give you guys a slight overview. So this backpack, I actually purchased it from eBay. It's an authentic Burberry, and I purchased it for $300. It's in excellent condition for it to be vintage. There's no strings or anything. There's no scratches. Look along the corners. There's no scratches or anything. I love the little Burberry sign right there in the front. The corners are really well taken care of. So is the bottom. And what I really love about this backpack is it's actually really tiny. It reminds me of like the Louis Vuitton Palm Springs. Not the mini, but the middle size Palm Springs backpack. Just turn it around for you. And it comes with this little Burberry tag. It's a little scratched up, but not too bad. There's a little sign back there. Super cute. It's gold. Here's the back of it. Comes with this little hold. These are the straps, and they're actually in really good condition. It is adjustable, so it has 1, 2, 3 holes, and I have it on the longest one. And when I have it on the longest one, it fits me to the top of my butt. So it's actually, it's small, but it's a perfect small. And on this side right here, there's like a little hidden pocket that I guess I tried putting in my cell phone, but it doesn't fit my cell phone. It's a little too small. I guess maybe keys, perhaps, I could probably put in there. I'm not sure. So there's a clasp right here in order to open it. It comes with like a little drawstring, which I love. I'm sorry, I'm trying to record with one hand here. Drawstring is still in perfect condition. There's no stamp or anything that says Burberry. It's just the leather strand. It's like coated leather. It looks like it was protected with some kind of, I don't know. All the edges are like perfect. It's like no strings or anything. And with the, I just found out with the older vintage Burberrys, there's no serial number inside. You know, it's really weird. That's the top of it. And there's the clasp. Look how shiny that is. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that looks so awesome. Wait, it does say something on there. Let's see here. I can't tell what it says. Anyways, inside it holds quite a bit actually. So right now, I just have something very simple inside. I have my key clay. I have my work phone, some gift cards. I have my wallet down here. Just a little compact. And I think a pen. So inside it's like this, let's see, I guess nylon. Super clean on the inside as well. There's 2 pockets in there. The front side of the pocket right there. Oh, and I have my fortune. Did you love keeping your fortune? It says the current year will bring you much happiness. Amen. Right? So we're gonna keep that. So it has 1 pocket in the front, like a really big pocket, and then it has like this little zipper pocket. That's kind of hard to zip. Well, not really hard. I think I just need to put some like wax on there. Oops, I think I closed it. So there's the inside pocket. Super cute. Super cute. I never thought I would pick up a Burberry, but when I saw this backpack, I instantly fell in love. I mean, for $300, you get a vintage piece like this that you hardly ever see anybody wear. They have the Burberry rucksack, which is like the bigger one, but I don't like those. They look funny to me. They look kind of like campish, I guess, if you will. But this one is like super cute and petite. And I still can't believe it's vintage because it looks so modern. It looks so trendy, so brand new. Like, when they said it was vintage, I was like, what? I don't know. I don't know too much about Burberrys. I just know this is the only Burberry piece I have. No, I lied. I have a scarf. You know, the infamous Burberry scarf that everybody wears. So let me just kind of stick my stuff back inside of it. So I'm going to use this backpack for the weekend. Because I think it's like perfect. I can even stick a baby bottle in here. I can stick like some baby wipes and maybe a diaper or two when I take my son out with me, my baby. He's 1 year old. It's kind of messy right now because I'm just kind of like throwing it in with no rhyme or reasoning, right? Oh, excuse me. I'm just getting over a bad cough here. So that's what it looks like. Quick review, only because I've never seen anybody on YouTube have posted a video with a vintage Burberry before, so I figured let me just kind of hop on here real quick. Let me zip, and it clips like perfectly. So it's really cute. It's super duper duper cute. It's kind of oddly shaped right now because it's like I'm in a weird angle, but it's a really cute bag. It actually sits up. And it's not big at all. Like, see, look at my arm. Like, it fits from the length of my arm. That's how small it is. Or big. Or tall. But yeah, anyways, I don't know about this thing. This thing keeps on going to the back. I like it to the front. Maybe I have to kind of like tie it a different way in order for it to go to the front. Because I like that bag charm. I think it's super cute. Like, it kind of gives it like a little flair. I think I might need to tie it differently. Anyways, that's all, y'all. Just a quick little review on this beautiful vintage Burberry backpack. Thanks for watching.